Hey everybody, my name is Jordan and welcome to the Shed Organics YouTube channel. Today I thought it would be a great opportunity to come and give you a little bit of a backstory on myself and how I ended up here teaching all things gardening. Now, I've been gardening on and off for the last 10 to 15 years and gradually have been getting more and more serious about it. My inspiration started when I was young. My grandmother was a huge influence in promoting the joys of getting out into the garden and how many lessons you can learn about life from your garden, and how important it is to be enjoying homegrown produce directly from your garden into what you're eating on the plate. And that's really taken me through my life and developed into a passion for being able to provide for myself, my family, and my community, and to provide not only healthy food, but also the knowledge about how to grow, preserve, and look after our planet. So, all of these things have kind of been building up over my life to come to a point where I really wanted to come and share it. And that's the point of this channel. This channel is here for you to learn. It's here to build a community, and it's here for us all to be able to share knowledge about how we can best get access or grow amazing, organic, healthy food. So, for all the series that you see on here, they're all about trying to generate interest, generate motivation, generate connection, and to hopefully inspire you or inspire somebody in your life to get into the garden and start thinking a little bit more about making choices that are going to be better off for our health and for our planet. Now, I'm sure you're going to find something of interest in the channel, but if there's something that you'd like to see, I'm always open for suggestions and I'm always listening to the community. So I'm really, really keen to get all of your input as to the types of things you'd like to see on the channel. At the moment, we have lots of growing videos, we have podcasts, and we have various other things that I love to just dive into with people and share on the channel. I'd like to be getting into talking to the wider community, going out to events, which you'll see more of this year, and also trying to develop a focus on the next generation of gardeners that are going to be the future of our farming and of our food production, Australia and worldwide. So it's really important to me to make sure that we're teaching those younger generations. So that's something that I'm going to be focusing as well moving through this year. So welcome. Thank you very much for joining me, and hopefully you can find some value in this channel. If you do, please share it around, let me know, and hopefully we can inspire and empower more people to get into the garden. Thank you for watching.